How to delete account in Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your account in Telegram. Well, basically deleting your account in Telegram is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Telegram application. Now here, if you tap on settings and if you head into any account settings or such, you'll find that there is no any option to delete your account, right? What you want to do is you want to head into your browser. On your browser, you want to search in for delete Telegram account, as I've done so on the screen, any browser that you like, and then here you'll get the first link that says mytelegram.org. Now you can directly type in my.telegram.org as well. You'll be headed into this page here. First, it'll ask you to log into your account. Now, how do you log in? You simply type in your phone number along with the country code, and you will tap on login, then it'll send you a login code. Now remember that login code won't be sent to your mobile number. Instead, it'll be sent on your Telegram account, on your Telegram application, on the login code here. So you can see I've got various logins code, right? So once you get the code, you want to go ahead and you want to enter it here, and you'll be able to log in. Once you're logged in, you can see the option that says delete account. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, if you scroll down below, you can see my phone number here. Why are you leaving? You can leave some points if you want, and then simply tap on delete my account and your account will be deleted. So this way you can easily delete your Telegram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.